This is a 2020 Chevy Malibu. If you want to drop your glove box, what you're going to do is open up the glove box. We're going to empty the contents out. Once those are emptied out, you're going to see on the inside on the right, there's a little tab there. We're going to pull that up, and we're going to do it from the outside. So we're just going to pull that so that we can free that towards me, and then pull it. Once we get it up, it comes out. And then once we have that, we're going to squeeze the sides of the glove box. So I'm going to pull this to the middle and this to the middle, and then this will drop down. And then that drops down. And that's how you lower your glove box. And then if you need to get into your air filter, it's right back there. And then to access this, you're going to see there's a little tab right there. You're going to pull that to the inside and that one. And then you're going to just pull this towards you. And then that's going to come out. Try not to drop it back where I just did. And then you're going to see your air filter here. Just pull that out and clean it off. And take a new one, put it back in. And then you're just going to finish that by snapping this back in place. And that's it. Then you can lift up the... Once you have the cover snapped back in place, then you're just going to come back over here. You're going to pull the glove box up into position. Let this push down. And then put your contents back in. And you have changed your in-dash air filter. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.